Hello friends! Today we learn about equation and symbol, like here. So, if I want to add equation, I press on Insert on the toolbar and then I press on Equation. Now open me a lot of options. Let's take this one and I take and organize this. If I want another color for blue something, if I want to change the size here, let's organize a little bit. If I want to change with a number, like here, I remark and then I can replace with the number that I want. Now, let's do one more. Now, if I want a break, I don't want all the formula, and I want to add another formula from here, I press on the design and I have the option of everything that I want. And then I press on the number that I want. And I have, again, if I want to insert a symbol, like here I have the option of alphabets, insert and close. I have the alpha. Let's do one more, insert symbol, and I have the option of the number. Let's take a look, number format, and I have here also number, insert, close. Let's take the size here. Okay, let's do one more, insert equation. Let's take this one. Let's change this, the size, the color, and if I want to change the format, like here, and take the number inside. That's it. Please subscribe after me and have a good day.